This is Iron Trader. It is Monday morning, so it's time to go to work. Now, we're going to have a shortened week this week here because Tuesday is going to be the July 4th holiday. Now, I'm expecting pretty slow volumes here, not just today, but probably Wednesday, Thursday, Friday due to the holiday. A lot of traders and a lot of just take the week off. But, not here. So we will be here all day, and we are going to review here crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, if you watched my video last night, you notice that what I did is I pointed out the key resistance level here is this 50 SMA. Now sitting at 71.68. And you can see where the price is right into it. Now, the big question is going to be, can it blast through? Look at here, see? 50-day, stopped it. 50-day, stopped it. 50-day, stopped it. 50-day, stopped it. Let's see what we can have here now. Now, again, if it can get above, then what we want to do is we want to look to this candle right here. Okay, so you're looking at 72.03. Then we have a high here of 72.38. Then we'll look to the top of this candle here at 72.65. And obviously, if you can get above, then your target here is going to be your 100 SMA sitting at 74.02, and then your retest here sitting at 75.06. Okay, now key support levels here, always watch, is going to be this key. First of all, is going to be the 21. You're sitting at $70.37. If that lost, then we look to the 8 SMA here, sitting at 69.66. And again, now, if that is lost on a closing basis, then we look to the bottom of these candles here, okay? So here you're looking at 68.93 here, and then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 68.71. Then we have 67.50. We have 67.05, and then your big retest here is 66.80. Now, you look at these price channels, they're holding up really good. Now, you got a good trading range here, but you notice here it's getting really tight. The key to the upside is going to be this 50 SMA. If we can get through, then we got a good shot at retesting this price channel here. Okay, and if it doesn't, then we're going to come right back on down here and look for this 680 level right in this area here. Now, again, if this is lost, then we look to the left of your chart, and you're looking at 66.65 here. We have 64.36, and then your big retest here is at 63.64. Now, if this is lost, 61.74, and I'll show you on a weekly, exactly that will be the target. But right now, we're looking really good. We're inside this price channel. The key is going to be that 50 SMA. Let's take a look here on the old weekly and monthly. Okay, here we have your monthly chart. Now, we look at this 50 SMA here. Okay, you're sitting at 66.44. Okay, hold the support, very nice. You look at the 200 SMA here. Okay, on this on a monthly here, you're looking at 72.78. You're holding resistance very well. So your rate bouncing right in between. Again, if you can get above the 200-day, then we look at the 8 SMA here. That would be the target at 74.76. Now, here on your weekly chart here, if this 63.64 is lost, then we look to the left of the chart here, and what do we see? 61.74, that would be the target if this 63.64 is lost. But the key level to watch here is going to be this 200 SMA sitting right here. 67.60, very key support level. You can see how it's all holding up very nicely. Now, in the resistance, you want to look at this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 71.25. If you can climb ahead and get above this, then your 21-day, that is going to be your target. 73.81. If you can get above that, then we have your 79.48, which is your 50-day. Now, I just don't like how this is just rolling right on over. And if you look at this key 8 SMA, it just can't seem to get above that 21-day to push that price right on up. Okay, so upside, watch the 8, the 21-day. On the downside, watch this key 200 SMA. All right, let's see what the old natty gas is doing. Okay, natty gas, you have your hourly and your 4-hour chart here. Now, we had nice sideways action, popped right up, came on right down. However, you put a low, you put a higher low. That's always good, popped right on up. Now, the problem is going to be, is this going to be a double top here? 2.87, 2.82, okay? So right now we got ourselves a red candle here. So we're looking at your support level is you're going to be this 200 SMA sitting at 2.68. Now you need to reclaim on the upside this 50 SMA here sitting at 2.7. Then we have your 8 SMA at 2.72. 2.74 is your 21 day, and then obviously your retest here is 2.82. But this is just kind of sideways action, but you do have right now, you do have a series of higher lows here if this holds, and that's always very positive. Okay, on your 4-hour chart here, pretty much the same thing, but I do like the series of higher lows going all the way on up here. Now, the key level to watch here is going to be this 50 SMA. I'm looking at 2.69, which lines up pretty nice with this 200 day, sitting at 2.68. And then you really need to reclaim here this 8 SMA here at 2.72 and your 21 day sitting at 2.71. So you're right there. You really need to get back above that for another shot here to get to the 2.87. So let's take a look here on the old daily. Okay, daily chart. Well, we look here at the price channels here. You're still looking 2.87, 2.13. Your price channels are holding up really nice. The key to it is going to be this 8 SMA here. You really need to stay above and close above this key 2.71 level here, okay? You can see how it took the price, just kept right on rising. And so far, it's holding it pretty nice. So watch that key 8 SMA here. That's going to be critical. If lost, then we're going to come right down to this 21 day. You're sitting at basically 2.50, okay? And then your 50 and your 100 day are meshed together, sitting at 2.38. Now, if you can get above this 2.87, then we look at here. This is your target at 3.027 here. We got to just see how this all going to shake out here today. Natural gas isn't really looking very strong. You're down 10 cents. So we got to see if this 8 SMA will hold. If it does hold, then we can go back up to this range at 2.87. If not, look for this 21 day here sitting at basically 5. All right, I'll have more for you on crude oil and natural gas a little more in detail after the pit close at 2:30. And thanks for watching.